Hello. Have you ever wondered what it takes to get from the consultant's site visit at a property to the final work write-up? The most important phase of that activity is obtaining a properly created contractor bid. But there are several steps that have to take place to get from A to B. Using the Genesis Rehab reporting system, consultants and contractors can easily, quickly, and 100% online create the bid on repairs. With the Genesis Rehab reporting system, the borrower can take the project exactly where they need to be. Here you can see the feasibility task list, otherwise known as preliminary work write-up task list. This is the creation of the report from the consultant following the actual visit to the property. And as you can see, just a few limited task items, once completed and electronically signed, will be able to create a preliminary report that the borrower can view to determine if the project deserves to be moved forward into contractor bidding. The next and most critical phase is the contractor bidding process. And thanks to the Genesis Rehab reporting system, contractors can electronically be invited to bid on a project so that they can be able to process their bids quickly and effectively with the minimal amount of errors and missed line items in their bid. We'd like to invite you to join us on a technical training webinar that we hold each month for our members. This is called the Genesis Tech Training. Our premium members are usually the only ones who are invited to this training, where we will show you how we are teaching consultants to quickly and effectively assist the contractors in creation of bids. You'll learn how to watch and see when the contractor has created a bid, what's happening with the process of the activity of the contractors who are bidding. Have they even opened it? How to encourage them to quickly and completely create this bid, and what to do if they want to make changes to the bid. So we're giving you a behind-the-scenes look at the operations of the Genesis Rehab reporting system and the NAVFAC 203K consultant training system. So please join us. We're rebuilding neighborhoods one home at a time, and we would like to have you join us. Have a great day, and we'll see you on Thursday, the second Thursday of the month of April, which is April the 9th at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. See you then.